There are a few things that I'm very confident about in this video. Number one, the visuals are going to be absolutely terrible. Number two, the descriptions are probably going to be a bit bad as well. And number three, I'm probably going to make a mistake at some point. This is the first time I'm trying this type of recording, and I have no idea how it's going to go. But I am going to put it up, and I'm going to get some feedback on it from people, and then we'll work from there. But this is going to be a test of hopefully things to come. But hopefully things to come will be better than this one here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a very quick demonstration today. You are going to hear my computer speaking to me, and you're going to hear me demonstrate something really simple. How to get a list of processes and how to select one process from that list of processes in PowerShell. These are not going to be PowerShell training videos, right? Because there are people out there much better than I am when it comes to PowerShell. But these videos could be PowerShell related at times. They could be server administration related. They could be virtualization related, or Active Directory, or anything that I come across on a day-to-day basis or a week-to-week basis. We'll see how it goes. You can see there's a big studio mic in front of me here. That is part of the appeal for me to do this, is to try out some new stuff. So let's go and let's get these processes. As you might think, every command in PowerShell has a verb, get. So get dash process. Very, very straightforward. When I hit enter on this, it's going to give me a big long list of stuff running on this computer. And then when the screen draws, it's going to the computer is going to speak to me and tell me everything that's been drawn onto the screen, which is all good. You hear that I'm using a piece of software called JAWS for Windows, JAWS for Windows. If I'm talking very fast, it's just because I'm slightly nervous in this first recording. I'll settle down. It'll all be good. Right, so I have a list of processes on my screen. The great thing about this is I could say store that as a variable. So I have my get process command there. I could say processes equals yeah, so $processes equals get process. Very easy. Now I'm going to clear my screen here, so CLS, and then I'm going to type in processes, and you're going to see the same output as before, all the same processes. But I could order them. I could say select the stink. Not stink. No, don't select stink. That's too much time. My 5-year-old. You could say select. So processes, $processes, vertical bar, select. No, I like to say select where dash object, left brace, $underline dot name equals no eq dash. You can tell it's Christmas. My commands I've forgotten how to talk at this stage. One password. Okay. Have I made a mistake? Yes, I have. I forgot to close my bracket. And when I hit enter on that, it tells me that it found a process. It gives me the handle. I could say one password process equals, and now one password dot so I can see all of that stuff. So I could say I could get the process for that process if I was really weird about it. Get dash process and pipe the output that's dash name. So one process. So sorry, dot name. Okay, so the command that I used there was, I kind of just looped it back on itself, which is completely pointless, but it just illustrates the point that I got the process name by assigning that process to a variable using the name property of that variable, and then I passed that back into get process, which was absolutely pointless, but it just illustrates that point. I got an error because I stupidly forgot to type in .name because I'm trying to rush through this video. So there you go. Anyway, I hope this was interesting. As I said, it's going to be interesting to me because it's going to show me where I need to improve, which is going to be a lot of places. Let's call a spade a spade. Thank you for watching anyway, and we'll see what happens next time.